Choose the correct form of the verb, I to the store every morning. A, go. B, goes. C, going. Choose the antonym of generous. A, stingy. B, kind. C, friendly. Fill in the blank. She always happy. A is B. RC was. Which of the following is a synonym for happy? A, sad. B, joyous. C, angry. Choose the correct sentence. A, he don't like coffee. B, he doesn't like coffee. C, he doesn't likes coffee. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. I am waiting the bus stop. A, on. B, at. C, in. Which word is the opposite of light? A, bright. B, dark. C, heavy. Fill in the blank. She is than her brother. A, more intelligent. B, intelligent. More. C, more intelligenter. Choose the correct word. The weather is very today. A, warm. B, warmth. C, warming. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. He a great singer. A is B. RC was. Which word is a synonym for quick? A, fast. B, slow. C, steady. Fill in the blank with the correct verb. I my homework right now. A, do. B, does. C, am doing. Choose the antonym of shallow. A, deep. B, high. C, flat. Which sentence is correct? A, I have seen him yesterday. B, I seen him yesterday. C, I saw him yesterday. Choose the synonym of brave. A. Courageous. B. Scared. C. Fearful. Fill in the blank with the correct conjunction. I want to go. I am tired. A. But B. So C. Because. Fill in the blank with the correct article. She is teacher. A. B. And C. The. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. They dinner when I called. A. Have. B. Were having. C. Had. Choose the antonym of old. A. Ancient. B. Young. C. Elderly. Which is the correct plural form of child? A. Children. B. Childs. C. Childs. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. He jumped the river. A. Over. B. In. C. On. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. I to the gym yesterday. A. Goes. B. Went. C. Going. Which word is the opposite of clean? A. Tidy. B. Dirty. C. Neat. Fill in the blank with the correct form of the verb. They, a new car, next month. A. Buy. B. Are buying. C. Buys. Choose the correct sentence. A. She didn't wanted to go. B. She doesn't wanted to go. C. She didn't want to go. Choose the antonym of hard. A. Tough. B. Soft. C. Rough. Fill in the blank with the correct conjunction. We will go to the park, it stops raining. A. Until. B. After. C. Before. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. She, a beautiful painting last week. A. Create. B. Create. C. Created. Fill in the blank with the correct verb form. eye to the music now. A. Listens. B. Listening. C. Am listening. Which word is a synonym for intelligent? A. Smart. B. Dull. C. Lazy. Fill in the blank. The movie was Then I Expected. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best. Choose the antonym of fast. A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Rapid. Choose the correct form of the verb. She the piano every day. A plays B. Playing C. Played. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. She is sitting the table. A. On B. At C. In. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have visited them yesterday. B. I visited them yesterday. C. I visiting them yesterday. Which word is the synonym of weak? A. Strong. B. Fragile. C. Powerful. Fill in the blank with the correct word. She is much than her brother. A. Taller. B. Tall. C. Tallest. Choose the correct sentence. A. She can sings very well. B. She sings very well. C. She sing very well. Choose the antonym of rich. A. Wealthy. B. Poor. C. Successful. Fill in the blank with the correct verb. I my keys yesterday. A. Lost. B. Losing. C. Lose. Which word is a synonym for difficult? A. Easy. B. Hard. C. Light. Fill in the blank with the correct article. She has apple in her bag. A. B. And C. The. Choose the correct sentence. A. He plays football every Sundays. B. He play football every Sunday. C. He plays football every Sunday. Choose the antonym of empty. A, full. B, vacant. C, bare. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. The cat is hiding the bed. A, under. B, on. C, at. Choose the correct form of the verb, I my homework. A, did. B, do. C, does. Fill in the blank with the correct verb form. He dashed to the store now. A, go. B, goes. C, is going. Which word is a synonym for large? A, tiny. B, huge. C, small. Fill in the blank. She was tired. She continued working. A, but B, so C, because. Choose the correct form of the verb. We dinner at the restaurant. A, had. B, having. C, have.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.